Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 1st of May, Friday. And we didn't have any videos a few days ago. That's pretty much because we had a little bit of technical difficulties and I had a lot of things to do. I had a lot of people contacting me and working with others and coaching and stuff like that. But anyway, that's a story for another time. Just wanted to let you guys know. Today was another great day of trading. Today we had 2 trades and ended up with 7 points. First trades basically all were within this period, and we could have just closed and went home. In hindsight, obviously, we know we could have, but we were looking for other things and they just didn't really play out. Our first trade was a long right down here. We were able to get in it, be chopped around a little bit, and then we got out over here. So got a point there. Market chops around a little bit. We did get long down here, which was actually interesting, getting long right at the low, and we were able to write it up, taking profits up here. So we were able to maximize that trade, and that gave us 7 points on the day. From there, didn't really see that much. We were wanting to short it up here. Never happened. Price started coming lower, and we just started watching it. Didn't really get what we wanted, so we watched it. That's why I talk a lot about, you have to be patient. You have to be able to wait on things to play out, wait on things to actually happen. Being able to get into a trade down here and price is up here. Price comes up and then it comes back down. What are you going to do? Are you going to stay in the trade? Or are you going to get out? Did it do anything different than the reasoning that you used to get into the trade? And then it, goes higher. You got to get out where you want to get out. We got out right up here. And you look at it, well, this is the high of the day, it broke out. And you have to look at it, does that mean anything? Or does it actually mean something? What does your trading strategy tell you? That's kind of what you have to look at. Our trading strategy said, get out. That's what we did. We got out. And does the market always turn over once we get out? Hell no. The one guarantee of trading is that you're going to be wrong sometime in your analysis. Your trade setup might be a really good trading setup. You might make money 80 out of 100 times that you take that trade setup, which is really good. But those 20 out of 100 times that don't work out, it's just part of the process. A trading setup is a trading setup because there's an edge to it. It gives a higher probability of actually working itself out. That's why it's a trading setup. But it's not going to work out 100% of the time. I was asked the other day, how do I take my trades? Do I just buy and sell at support and resistance? If I did that, it would be so easy to trade. Why would you really need me? Why would you need any educator for that matter? And why would you need books and stuff to learn? It would be so simple. Just buy and sell right here. Especially when it comes to day trading, there's a lot of intricacies that happen in the market. It's a very dynamic market. It's always moving, always doing something different. And a lot of people get chopped up with it. When I first started trading, I was one of those people. It was difficult to trade. And it was difficult to learn. To get over my preconceptions of what was supposed to happen and, actually learn the process of trading. It's very difficult. And that's why I relate it to like becoming a brain surgeon. Probably even more so, rather than just becoming a brain surgeon, becoming the top 10% of all brain surgeons in the world. That's That's what trading should be related to. Not just becoming that brain surgeon, but becoming the top 10%. Because when you become a successful trader, and success is defined by being able to provide for your lifestyle and save money at the same time. That's how I define success. Maybe being able to give money away. However you believe it should be done. You have to be successful if you want to give money away. You can't give money away when you don't have any. When you have a little bit, you can give away a little bit, yes. When you have a lot, you can give away a lot more. But that's things you can do when you have money, when you're successful at trading. And everybody has a different definition of success. Some people want to, success to them is having a lifestyle above their current lifestyle, and they can save money. Others, they want to be able to maintain their current lifestyle with their trading profits. Some people, they're okay with downgrading their current lifestyle a little bit and then being able to save money at the same time. So everybody's different. Everybody comes to trading from a different perspective, and that's why I do have like coaching services and stuff like that. Because everybody comes to trading differently, and it's not the trading strategy that trips people up. Like as far as the methodology, buy here, sell here type of thing, that's not what trips people up. It's the 2 to 3 pounds between their ears that trips them up, and it's very difficult. I've worked with people who have worked with some of the names in the industry that you would know if I said them, and they've I've been able to help them. Why? I don't know why. I know that I approach the subject of trading psychology from a different angle than a lot of other people. Because I've studied it for a long time, and I've done these things on myself, and I don't study it from an academic point of view. I study it from a straight practicality point of view. I don't, I'm not a PhD from academia. I have developed this on my own. I work with a lot of people around the world, and it just is what it is. There's no sugarcoating, no bullshit around it. It is what it is. It works because it works. But anyway, I'm starting to get off on a little bit of a tangent, probably because I haven't done a video in a while, and I just have a lot to talk about. But anyway, that's what we did today, and I wanted to talk about a trade that I talked about in yesterday's video a little bit. I hinted at it, and we actually got stopped in it today, and this was Cocoa. We got long over here, and we've held it this entire time until today. Today's the 1st of May, which you guys know because it's the 1st of May if you're watching this video. If it's later on, obviously you wouldn't, but it is the 1st of May. We got long right over here, 21st of April in the morning, and held it this entire time. Price came up, came down, our stop was down here, we moved it up over here. Price opened up today higher, and then it started to work its way lower. So that's a pretty good trade, actually. And it's something that we can put into the books of May. We made 150 points. My writing's still bad. This hasn't really helped my writing at all. It is what it is. That's not what I do for a living. I don't write things for a living. So it doesn't matter. If I write stuff, it's on the computer, it's on my phone, it's on my tablet, it's typing. But that's a topic for another day as well. Anyway, 150 points, you're looking at $10 a point. So you're looking at 1,500 bucks. Wow, that was really bad handwriting, wasn't it? It is what it is. So you're looking at 1,500 bucks per contract right there. Holding it, 21st to the 1st. not that bad, and you made $1,500. You really didn't do anything. As far as risk, we were looking about 20 points, and we made 150. So doing the math, we'll call it a 13 to 1 reward to risk. And it was more like 13.33333, but who gives a shit about a decimal? It's not going to help us. And I always round down. And just look at that. Trades like that, if you make every single trade a 13 to 1, how many times can you lose on the trade and still make money? It's just awesome to be able to do that. So I just wanted to record today's video, talk about what we were able to do today, what actually did happen, what played out for us, and hopefully you got something out of it. If you want to add something to what I was talking about, feel free. Comment section below. Open up. Let me know what's going on. If you have a question, you can definitely put that down as well. You can also email me, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. If you have a question that you just want to talk to me about, go to the webpage, abusinesswithtrading.com. On the right hand side under the About tab, contact us, and there's my phone number. If you pull up the website on your mobile phone, scroll down, it'll have a button, click to call our office. And you click that and it'll call me. So there are many ways to get a hold of me. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, and you don't want to share it publicly, email me, call me. That's what that information is there for. To get some dialogue going. It doesn't matter to me how you share, how you ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question, and I firmly believe that. I once was ignorant to a lot of information. Ignorant just means you don't know about something. That's what that word means. So if you don't know about something, you ask questions. And I bet I knew a whole lot less than the people getting started today in the trading industry. Just because there wasn't much around at all at that time. But anyway, I don't want to make the video too long. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you back here next week in the markets. Thank you.